game, it's at the top. By the way, this was my brother playing. He's better than me, obviously. He's got 22 kills. He's at the top. Really? He should be leveled up twice for that. That's like the best. That's the best score we've had in ages. Jesus. I had one in my last video. Bring you over to my brother. Probably. He does sweat a lot on it.
Yeah. So I get the
See you all later, and I'll do another video